What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Zeekr X that we have in mist grey that we have right in front of us here. But before we get right to the details of the exterior, wheels and the interior design, let us just take a walk around to show you guys the color of the car and how gorgeous this car looks with the contra of the black and the grey, and yeah, the shape and design of the car. So let us first start off with the front of the car. Now take a look at the lights that we have right here. Love how the dark finishing that's happening on every part of the light that you see right here. Of course, the DRLs we will turn on in the wild mode to show it to you. But I like how if you stand from the top angle right here, you can see it even from this side. And even from the front right here, it looks very much aggressive indeed. So for the bottom part right here, these are where your main lights are going to be at. So when we turn them on later, you will be able to see it. So that's kind of nice. Love the black housing and finishing of this as well. So on the side right here, you do have your openings for air to flow through on this. Now as you can see from the side right here, we have some openings for air to flow through. Love the black finishing that's happening over here as well. Love the gloss black that goes around all over the side. Looks very, very nice indeed. So now for the bottom lip right here, you do have this gloss black finishing that goes across from the left all the way down to the right. So that's also nice. You get your number plate that goes right here, but you get your tow hook that goes right there, and your front camera is located on this side right here. So that's nice as well. Now from the front, I love how the black finishes are happening on that side where the lights actually go into right below the bumper. The bottom piece right here for air to flow through as well, and you do get your sensor that's located right there. Very nice. For the top of the hood, love the chrome badging that we have right here for the Zeekr logo. At the same time, I love the lines that are coming across the top bonnet in this way. You see what I mean? It's very aggressive looking. Love the angles with the light that's coming in from the showroom right here. In Sunway, you're able to tell it does look really, really nice indeed. Now let's move to the side of the wheels, and you notice the wheel arch is also in this gloss black finish where it's connected to the front right here. Love it. Now for the wheel size, they are using 235/50 R19, and it's a two-tone finish of a wheel. So black is on the inside, silver is on the outside. You get your solid disc brakes on the inside right there, so that's very nice indeed. You get your Zeekr wording right here as well for the center wheel caps. Very nice. Looks good. So for the top side right here, you get your mirrors in the mirrors right here that you get in black. Basically, I like when any car out there doesn't follow the same body color, so it does look very, very sporty and nice. I like it. Has a lot of contra, and the half portion of the car, the top portion, is fully in black, so that's very nice as well. Love the lines that go across and then suddenly just shoots up like that and shoots out, so that's nice as well. So for the side mirror, your turn indicators are located right down here. Some of them are up here, but in this case for this car is down here. That's very nice. You get your 360 camera on this side right here. Love the black finishing for the side mirror, which is also frameless as well. Very cool. I like that a lot. Now for the side part of the door, down here the skirting, the side skirting I would say, or the side door covers, you have it in this black finish, and I like how the angle just goes up and then shoots back down like that with some sort of line finishes happening on the black finish. So that's very nice. You get your lines at the door that shoot straight up like that. You see how it's connected from here, and then it just shoots up all the way to that side. So I don't know, man, very sporty. And the thing that I love about these doors, right, you see when you unlock the car, these handles go in, but you don't have to press any button on the inside. You don't have to do that, but you just got to put your hand in, but just see what happens. Saw that? I didn't do anything, I just touched it, so the door just opened up automatically. And yeah, you got to pull it yourselves. So cool. You get your ambient lighting located right on the inside right here. I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture it, but there's some green lighting happening on the inside part right here right now. So you can change the ambient lighting similar towards the dashboard that we see right here as well. So that's very nice indeed. So take a look at the doors. Leather finish for the door. Love the quality and finishing of this car. Grey finishes right here. Love the stitching that's happening on this side. Love the texture like finish that's happening at the door right here. Speaker, very nice indeed. The finishing, compartment storage down here, and this is the manual handle to open up the door. This is the electronic one, and down there is the manual one. So this is your window adjustments, and if you notice, they are also frameless. So I like how when you open that up, the top portion of the door doesn't have anything, so that's kind of nice as well. So let's push that back up. Very, very cool indeed. So let's jump right in. Before that, Zeekr wording, designed in Gothenburg, Sweden. Nice. Seat adjustments, electronic, that we have right here. And of course the lumbar support that comes out from here as well. Check out the interior, man, dude. Love the grey finishing that's happening all over the place. On top of that, love the gold, or shall I say the bronze finishing that's happening everywhere around the car, together with the contrast stitching of the white, or maybe a little bit of this grey finish, I guess. Perforated seats, amazing. Love the Zeekr carpet that we have right here, so that's kind of nice. The lines on the carpet, I mean, it's not every day you see a car company have lines for a carpet, right? But it's nice how they have it on this side, so it doesn't look too plain. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black, and the seat is very, very comfortable, man. I love how this feels. So for the dashboard, you do get your ambient lighting that you can see right here. I love how this looks. You got to be here to see it. The textured finish of a dashboard looks really good. Love the Yamaha speakers that we have right there with the Yamaha badging right there in the center. Can you see that? Love the finishing in this bronze kind of texture, similar towards your seats also as well. So that's kind of nice. And on the centerpiece right here, you do get your Yamaha speaker right there as well, together with your aircon that comes out through here. So that's kind of cool indeed. Love the screen that we have right here that's currently displaying, of course, the charging, because the car is currently charging also as well. So it's showing you what's actually happening. You can even choose to stop it, but obviously right now the charging has already been stopped, I believe, because maybe I opened up the doors. Nevertheless, when you're at the, okay, maybe perhaps this is the home screen, but let's leave it at where it is. But down here you do have your USB-C charging, as well as your hook to hang something if you wish to. And down here you get another USB-C charging also as well. So this is a 27 watt, this is a 60 watt. So down here is more like a place where you can keep some stuff and hook it up if you wish to. But right down here, if you slide this open, you get a cup holder. You got some extra storage compartment that's happening down here as well. So that's very nice, man. You do get your wireless charging, 50 watt, where you can slot in your phone. It grips really well. At the same time, it cools it down because there's some air flowing on this side. So that's kind of nice. And yeah, it is a very, very nice finish of a car. So let's get right down and take a look at the rear. Once again, the doors, you don't have to press a button, put your hand in. The door automatically opens up. And let's just leave it open. Now take a look at the shape of the rear door. The front door, as you can see, is very straight. And then you got this door right here that goes in this straight finish, and then suddenly just shoots back up. So this is damn cool. I love how this looks. Let's try and wind out the windows and see how it looks like. Damn. So of course the window doesn't go fully down, but dude, you do get this very aggressive looking shape of the side. Damn. It's unique. It's not like any other car out there, so that's what's nice. You do get the grey finish leather that we have right here. Love the stitching that's happening on this side right here. Do get your ambient lighting once again towards the door. Love how it's dotted and designed like in that sort of way. Electronic buttons to open up the door. Window adjustments on this side, and Yamaha speakers over here. Yamaha speakers down here. And emergency door handle release is on this side. So it's amazing how the rear doors are located on this side, and the front passenger doors and driver doors are located at the bottom. So for the rear, it's located on the upside right here. So I like how they label that. Compartment storage down here as well. So for the rear, you do get the Zeekr, designed in Gothenburg, Sweden, right here. Love that. And check out the back, man, dude. Once again, the carpet. Love the lines that are happening right here. The bronze finishing that's going on with bits and pieces, including the rear. Let's hop right in. Take a look. The roof lining is in this fabric finish, similar towards the front. Love the front light that we have right there. We'll talk about that in a while more. Textured like rear passenger seat together with the driver. Love the bronze finishing that's happening all over here. Love the stitching that goes in this X sort of shape. So that's kind of nice. Yeah, this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seatbelts are in black, and you do get some sort of like hook right here together with your lighting. Touch sensitive also as well. Love the glass roof that's happening right on top. And for the back right here, love that they have the Zeekr wording on the handle where you can pull, and cup holders down here as well. So that's kind of nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear of the center seat, and the view at the back here is amazing, man, dude. I like what I see on this side. So very, very fantastic finish. And let's move down right here. You do get your air vents for aircon. Cool. So let's press the button, push the door open, and let's get right down and show you guys the rear wheels of this car. So once again, two-tone finish of a wheel look, the silver finishing on the outside, Zeekr wording right there in the center, solid disc brakes right there, 23550 R19 is the name. Gloss black finishing for the whole wheel arch, so that's very nice indeed. Now for the rear, you do have your black finishing for the side for the car that hooks onto the tail lights. You have some over here also as well, so that's very nice indeed. For the bottom, you get your reflectors right there. At the same time, your gloss black finishing for the center bumper that we have, together with the number plate that goes right here. Sensors, and this grey finish down here, together with your sort of like aggressive looking rear diffuser. I like how they have this similar towards the color of the car, so that's very nice. And then this whole gloss black finishing goes all to the bottom, so that's very nice. Reverse camera is located right here. Zeekr wording right there. Of course, it has a light, the wiper, and of course your brake lights. Looks kind of cool. So press this and the boot opens up, and take a look at the compartment storage that we have down here. Your cable to charge and some sort of minor storage space that's happening right here, but yeah, it's kind of practical. You can keep tons of other stuff that you wish to keep. Seats are able to fold down. Let's try and do that, but before that, place where you can keep more stuff. Of course, you get your Yamaha speakers on this side and on this side. Very nice indeed. Love how the lights light up on this side with the black finishing, so that's kind of cool. So let's fold the seats down. Love the Zeekr wording that we have right there, and I also like how they have this, it just hooks the seatbelt together, so when you close it, it doesn't jam up on the clip. So very nice. So let's go on this side and do the same. Take a look at how much of space you guys can actually have. Look at how solid this car looks, man. This car looks absolutely solid. The finishing is superb. Beautiful texture, beautiful finish that we have for a car like this. Now let's take a look at the driver's side. Once again, let's pull the windows up. And the doors, of course, electronic buttons are here to open up. You do get your speakers that we have on this side right here, and this texture-like finish for the door, as well as your window adjustments up and down for the rear, for the front, and also your manual lever to open up the door besides the electronic one. So compartment storage down here, very clean. Design Gothenburg, Sweden. Zeekr carpets that we have right there. Zeekr badging right there. Black brake pedals, black accelerator pedals. Seat adjustments are electronic adjustable, and the seats look fantastic. Once again, love the finishing that we have across the whole car, center, the sides, and the main display that we have right here. The finishing of this, and then the side of the car right here, very nice, man, dude. Your P for your parking, drive and reverse. These are for your wipers, and some sort of setting adjustments for you to control the screen over here. These ones also to control the screen as well. It's amazing, man, dude. It's amazing how they have all sorts of different kind of finishing that you guys need to actually see, but we can't really do that anytime right now. We'll do that later when the time comes. But amazing finish that we see. Cool. So as you can see, I love the steering wheel, love the flat bottom finish that we have for a steering like this. But guys, we are not alone, because we are in Zeekr Sunway, but if you need to look for a car, we have someone that you can look for. This is Sarah, guys. Sarah from Zeekr Sunway. Car is fantastic. I'm just telling the viewers and the audience out there how gorgeous the finishing is for your car, with the amount of practicality that you can get with a car like this that looks good, futuristic. At the same time, you have a beautiful showroom here with a lot of glass happening all over the place. So let's, just take a look at the car once again before we call this video to an end. But yeah, that's Sarah, guys. So she'll be joining us in a while more, later in another video perhaps. But nevertheless, guys, this is a gorgeous finish of a car that you guys can actually get. Before we turn on the lights, let us take a look at where we can actually control the lights. So lighting, exterior right here. So pop. Not sure if I can. There we go. Bam. So we have turned on the front lights, I believe, and take a look at the finishing of the lights, dude. Amazing texture-like finish. Let's take a cover photo for the front before we move on to the next. And There we go. This is a fantastic cover photo that you guys can get. But look at the lights, man. Of course, they're not wavy or blinky like that. It's just my camera is capturing it really well. But if you're standing right here, right now, you're able to admire how these lights are permanently staying on without any movement, guys, okay? So it's not going to be moving like how you're seeing right here. It's going to be stagnant. Love it, man, dude. Now, the bottom lights that we have right here are shiny on this side. Down here as well, as you can see, the main lights. And for the rear, let's take a look at the back. Once again, close. You do get your hooks right there to hang some stuff, electronic button to close the door. You know, so you can, I believe, wave your leg at the back perhaps. But check out the back, man, dude. Love the lighting that we have right here, here. At the same time on this side, how it comes down, gloss black finishing that happens all over the place, man, dude. Love it. So now let's turn on the hazard lights. If we can find it, there we go, right there. Once again, love the lighting that's happening right at the top. Also, you do get your mirrors with your lights. Very cool, texture-like finish. Amazing fabric lining as well. So let's take a look at the side. You do get your turn indicators on this side. Very nice indeed. Love how the whole light shuts off and you get your blinkers that turn on right there. Very cool indeed. Love how it looks. Now let's hop right into the rear. Charging happens right here as well. Of course, your Zeekr charger that you can install at home on this side. Love it. And for the rear, as you can see, you have your lights going from left to right. Gorgeous finish. Love the X badging right here, man. I like this. Very nice. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Zeekr cars, do head down. Before that, head-up display, amazing. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Zeekr cars, do head down to Zeekr Sunway, where you can locate this car, the 009, and many more other gorgeous cars that they have lined up over here. It's a beautiful place. I love the showroom, how it's full of this glass finishing that we have all over the place. Ceiling, the design of this place is just amazing, dude. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.